Hey guys, it's Jasper, or Jess for short, at JD World channel. And this video will somehow help you on how to upload your civil ID to your smartphone. Yes, it's possible. Alright, so stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and feel free to comment, like, and share. So let's go. So the requirements is that you need to be a citizen or a currently a resident of Kuwait, and number 2 is that you have a valid civil ID card. The process for this one is very easy. So number 1 is download the app, which is the Kuwait mobile ID app on your iOS phone or your Android phone. Next is that you need to register. Alright, so to register, you only need to have your civil ID number, the serial number of your civil ID card, which is found in the back of your civil ID card, which is the 9-digit numbers, and then your passport number. Once you've done on the second step, and the third step is that just take a selfie, any picture. Alright, and then the last step is the system will collect all your informations. Once the system accepted all of this one, and there you have it, you have your civil ID card on your smartphone. Because kadalasan, some of us, they forget their civil ID cards but not their phones, smartphones. That's why this app is very useful for us, to save us from getting deported or getting kulong. Okay, so let's get. Alright, of course, you have to download the app, which is the Kuwait mobile ID, wherever, in your iOS phone or in your Android phone, it doesn't matter. So once you download the app, of course, you need to register. You need to enter all your details, your civil ID number, your serial number of your civil ID card, your passport number, as well as the mobile number. Okay, so the third step will be to take a selfie. Please take a good picture so that the system will accept your picture and your data. Okay, so once the system accepted your picture as well as your information, they will send you a verification code for you to complete your online registration. And then you will need to enter a PIN code for you to use it whenever you enter or you sign in this mobile app. Have to wait until the system finally accepted your information. This is how it looks like. Alright, there you have it. So I hope this video has helped you somehow, especially sa mga kamukha kong OFW here in Kuwait. And I hope you subscribe. Please comment, like, and share kung nagustuhan niyo yung video na to. More videos to come. Alright? Thank you.